Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sound effects on AFK Arena. So let's get started. First, open the AFK Arena game on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on the settings option. Here in the game settings section, you can find the sound effects option. To turn off the sound effects, drag the slider below the sound effects option all the way to the left. And this is how you can turn off sound effects on AFK Arena. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.